2019 BMW i8 Roadster ready for our inevitable EV future? Is rolling lithium a thing, yet? Because BMW is trying to make this the opposite of rolling coal happen at this year's Los Angeles Auto Show. The Bavarian vehicular group is showing 5 all-new electric-powered concepts or production models in LA. These include the C-Evolution, a 99-mile range scooter from BMW Motorcycles, the 150-mile range, 2-door hardtop electric concept from Mini, and 3 vehicles from its advanced I sub-brand, the I's, a sportier and more potent version of the brand's electric commuter nodule, the iVision Dynamics 4-door coupe concept, featuring a sporty 4-second 0-60 time and a professed 373-mile range, and the long-promised Roadster version of the i8 supercar, with just 2 seats, a bikini top, and an enhanced power pack providing 18 miles of range. Studies show that the state's combination of fiscal incentives, trendsetting cultural positioning, legislative requirements and massive population contributed to the purchase of half of the country's EVs and hybrids this decade.